Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram Story bad video quality after upload. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Are your Instagram stories turning out blurry or pixelated when you upload them? In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different solutions that can fix this issue. The first thing you need to check is your internet connection. If you're using mobile data, a weak or unstable signal can cause Instagram to heavily compress your stories, making them look blurry. Try switching to a fast and stable Wi-Fi connection, or if your Wi-Fi is slow, turn it off and use mobile data instead. A strong and stable connection plays a big role in upload quality. The second fix is inside the Instagram app. Open Instagram, go to your profile, and tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down and find the Media Quality option. Make sure that Use Less Cellular Data is turned off and that Upload at Highest Quality is turned on, as these settings directly affect how clear your stories appear after uploading. The third solution is to make sure you're recording your photos or videos at the highest possible quality on your phone. Open your device's Settings app, scroll down to the Camera section, and check options like Video Recording Quality. If your phone supports it, set video recording to 4K so your content stays sharp even after Instagram applies compression. If none of the first 3 steps work, the final solution is to update the Instagram app. Go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and check if there's a pending update available. Instagram updates often include bug fixes and improvements to upload quality, and updating the app can reset compression issues and make your stories look clear and sharp again. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Instagram Story bad video quality after upload. So that's all for this video. Thanks.